back, YouTube, in the car. Going to show how to install an iDrive knob aftermarket. So you see here, we have the M badge knob. And it's significantly bigger. If you can see, significantly bigger than the stock OEM knob. It's easy to put on. The hardest part is taking off this plastic cover here. And, there's a couple ways you can take it off. Quite honestly, the best way that I found to take it off is to use a suction cup. There's people that use scalpels and precision flat head screwdrivers, but let me tell you, it's not as easy as they make it look in the video. It's not. And you run the risk of damaging and scratching your knob and your cover here, which if I ever wanted to put it back, I don't want it damaged. So I went and got a small suction cup that fits right over the cover. And it takes me, sometimes it'll take me a couple times to try to get it off, but you want to stick it on really good and then try to kind of flip it and peel it off at the same time. And you can see there, it's starting to come out. Just slowly keep trying to pry it off. So from this point, I could just take it out. But to me, that's the easiest way to do it. Found these at Lowe's. It was like $2 or $3 for about 4 or 5 of them. Okay, so at this point, I've seen people take this bezel off. And I'm not sure why they do that, because there's no need to do that. And I've seen in certain forums and things like that people have problems with the selector after they do this install. And I'm thinking it's probably because you took this bezel off. There's no need to take this bezel off. This is 2 pieces. Obviously, this goes on top where you see the adhesive there. But this part here is made to fit right over this. So press it down evenly on each side. And there you go. It's on. Easy. So now I'm going to take the adhesive off. Get the tape off inside. And just make sure, I got the M badge, but whatever you have, just make sure you're putting it on straight. And just so you can see, the tape here is actually hitting this bezel. That's what keeps it on. So I'm not sure why people would remove it. And then push it down really good. It's on there. Okay, so here's the test. Let's start it up. Okay, so See, it's going through. And let me just select CD. And I won't actually play the music because of copyright, but you can see that it's working. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back again. Go down. Let's say I'll just go down to vehicle info, for example. I'm going to go back. Go to, let's just say, settings. I'm going to go back. And I'll go to CD again. Just to show that it's working. So, I'm not sure for the people who had issues, what went wrong. I'm thinking it's because you took that bezel off, and you need that bezel on the inside to keep it on track.